Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today's topic is Eat Fruits to Lose Weight, Weight Loss Part 1. Have you ever tried to lose weight? You tried at least once, but ended up with more weight. This is a great paradox. You want to look more attractive and be healthy, but you tell yourself to start tomorrow. Today is not a good day for any reason you can think of. I can't start lose weight now because I'm writing a post. Eating less is a fundamental rule to lose weight, but it's the most difficult part of all. So you thought of replacing your meal with fruits. Yes, it's good for your body. It's a great source of vitamins and minerals. Plus, everyone loves fruits. You eat fruits until you feel satisfied, wondering why you are not losing weight. Simply said, it's sugary. It's called fructose, a type of sugar found in fruits. Is it good to lose weight by eating fruits? You should know the answer by now. No. Losing weight is incredibly difficult because it takes a long time, maybe years. And you get tempted by delicious foods wherever you go. Let's make one thing clear here. Eating fruits is not the right way to lose weight. I'm not trying to say you shouldn't eat fruits, just not too much. You know what I mean. I hope this video helped you lose weight. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week.